Got the wheels back on because we're going to need wheel cylinders, so we cannot complete the brakes today.
Nope.
One thing we can do is we can fire the car up, we can get ATF into the trans.
Check out our funnel.
Yep, he's all ready. And we can get ready and burp our cooling system. So first step, we're going to take and put about 3 quarts in there. Ready to go, like now, before we fire it.
Like right now?
Right now.
Or later.
Right now.
Right now.
Three quarts in right now. And then let's be ready, because it's going to take 10.5 total. And as we cycle it and run the pump, we'll work our way up. All right, that was about what, 3 1/4?
Yeah.
All right, let's go fill the jug up.
Fill it up, Poppy.
I'm gonna fill your jugs.
Oh, baby. Woo.
Burns,
I'm glad you started.
you ready?
Afterwards.
I'm gonna let you have that burpy burp. Xander is on the key. I'm gonna be on the old throttle waddle here. Somewhere over the rainbow. There we go. Okay, we already have 3 quarts in like we showed in the trans. 10.5 goes in total, but we gotta get it running first. So, Mr. Xander, run the key. Nothing. Okay. Are we dead?
I'm turning the key.
Yeah. Let's.
Is the battery hooked up?
Yes.
All right. Like the Imperial yesterday when you tried the blower motor.
Yeah, that was funny. Battery is hooked up. We're hooked up down there. Ed Xander hooked all that stuff up.
You checked it.
Yep. Try the key.
Nothing.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the NOCO. So Xander's in the car. We've got the NOCO on the battery, but it was showing 12.2. Xander, you're trying the lights. You got nothing?
Yeah, I got nothing on anything.
Horn doesn't work.
No horn.
We have no power in the car. But all that was unhooked was the starter itself. And that wiring went right back in. Fun. We having fun yet?
No.
Nope. All right, everybody's in agreement. We're not having fun yet. No fun. Fun is not being had.
Having a blast. What are you talking about?
Yeah, well, you know.
You were having a blast under that Grand Prix.
Yeah, that made a lovely mess all over me. Looks like I'm still wearing eyeliner. Cute.
What made a mess all over you?
Grand Prix.
Big black thing.
Grand pricks. Couple grand pricks. Wait.
Whoa.
What?
More than one. I didn't know you were like that.
So, NOCO's on there. We have nothing. We have no power. So now we get to play Search Out the Power. Alright. So we got power now. Demonstrate how you have power. Thanks. No one gets in Daniel's way, I'll tell you that. This thing is, holy crap. All right.
Sounds like you should be on your dually. I'm a little meaner, but
Did the horn on your
It's weak, yeah.
he goes.
That's what Tyler has on his truck. Okay, so
Oh, you want to explain what happened?
what happened was everything was hooked up, but the actual positive cable was still hanging. So easy fix, no problem. All right, I'm in charge of the throttle. Xander, will you hit the key? Burnsy, do you have your trans fluid?
Yes, I have my transmission fluid.
Thank you. All right, let's fire it up, Mr. Xander. Oh, we're gonna need some NOCO. Narcos. That's better. Gotta get fuel. Just has to get fuel. Go ahead. And just like that, boys and girls, you fire it right up. All right, Mr. Burns, it's got to pump oil back up. It's been sitting there.
Oh, okay.
Would you like to slowly start adding your trans fuel?
I thought you wanted me to tell it.
And we need to add a little now.
Oh, okay.
Pump it, pump it. We're at?
I'll go by what you said.
We're at 3 1/4 already. Put in about a third of that. Okay, hang tight. Now, Xander, carefully, because all the make sure the wheel is off the ground back there. Okay, because we have no brakes.
Yeah.
Drop this baby down into, go all the way to reverse. There you go. Okay, now Mr. Burns, add some fluid. And look at that, the wheels are turning. And you can hear the pump whining, so that means add some fluid. They were turning, now it's pumped all the fluid.
So you want me to put in more?
Yeah, let's go all the way.
All the way?
Because you're at, what was that, 7 or so? It wanted to be in drive for a second, but we're good. Okay. So we got, what, 7.5? That was 4. 7 1/4. So you need to add 3 1/4 more. Let's go over that line. Okay, Xander, while you're here, drop her down into drive.
No, you probably use the e-brake to slow it down.
Yes. Look it, we're driving in drive. Look it, you're going like 20 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Look at that. All right, we're gonna add the rest of the fluid. We're putting the last hit in the jug. We're gonna add it. We're gonna let her run a while. And then we'll pop her in, when we're done, we'll pop her in neutral. And away we go. I'm gonna check on our cooling system. We are bubbling. Good.
All the rest of this?
Yeah, slowly. Turn signal's on, Xander. Other turn signal's on. Give me some headlights.
What?
Headlights. That's the wipers. We don't have headlights. That's high-low.
That's what I did.
There you go. There's 2 flicks. You didn't pull out enough. You gotta learn how to trouble if that's not... Anyway. Headlights, yay! Highs and lows, yay! Turn signals. Forward blows. Left turn. Right turn. Brake light switch still works, even though the brakes don't. All right, we have all the fluid in. Good, let this baby run. All right, so we're all done minus some wheel cylinders. Very nice, gentlemen. Put it in neutral and then hit the e-brake.
Yeah, put it in neutral and then pull the e-brake.
Well, let's run it a little more.
So it lets you know that
Because this is burping still. Other than wheel cylinders, we're done. That's cool. That's a promising thing.